Hi, it's Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the Creative Photo Academy, and the lab at Paul's Photo. Welcome to Be Creative, day 123. It's hard to believe 123 days of being creative. And you have to find your inspiration wherever it comes. So tonight, I was making some of my famous trail mix with some Trader Joe's nuts, and they poured out, and it gave me this great pattern. And people always ask me, so Mark, what makes a great pattern to photograph? Well, I'll show you. Come on in here. And if you notice, what did I choose to photograph? That one nut right here. That's my subject. Why? He's brighter than the rest. And so, our human eye loves to find patterns. We love to find and organize things in nature around us. But we need something for our eye to go to. If I was to take the same photo and take that bright nut out of it, or to turn that bright nut over so they were all the same, the picture would be boring. Our eye wouldn't know where to look. By having that bright nut, our eye knows where to go. Now, I'm going to photograph this. I'm on aperture priority, and I'm going to start with my lens wide open. Now, it can't quite go to 2.8 because I'm using it in the macro mode. So my lens is at f4, is as wide as I can go because I'm up close because of bellows extension factor. If you want to learn about that, come to my online macro class starting in August. But here I've got focus point right here on the nut, right there. ISO 400, it's a 500th of a second. I've got my big light right down in there. Now, I don't know exactly what the depth of field is going to be like, so I'm going to stop down to f8. So I was f4, f8, take another one, and then finally, f16 to get more depth of field, more focus, and finally f32, all the way closed. So I'm going to get more nuts in focus. Well, you're always going to say, I'm more nuts anyway, so that's great. So what do we learn? We see patterns. We love to see patterns. Our human eye, though, wants to make a shape, a face, something. We need to be known where to go with our eye. By having the bright nut right there, the eye's going to go right there. And what I'm going to do when I print this, I'm going to make it a black and white image so that I can even add a little bit more in the digital darkroom to take your eye to where I want you to go. That's the secret to great pictures, is telling you where to go. You heard it here first. Mark Homan from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy, wishing you great pictures, great fun today, and share your pictures. Hashtag Paul's Photo, hashtag Creative Photo Academy, and hashtag We're All Together. Because we're all together in this. And we'll see you tomorrow for our next edition of Be Creative.